The thing is, yeah, I could have spiked that and you'd never know until you fainted. So...
You got the worst chair?
Huh? No? You guys, I need to show you guys something. Mike tells me this chair is the worst chair, so of course you guys have got to switch them. Off we go.
Pack up my car. Don't break the telephone, I just got it.
Ew, hate you. I like your scarf. You look like a pear.
Seriously.
Your hands real smushy. Hey, a giant? There's a big giant there beside you, buddy.
I want you to make an effort to quit being boring. Because you're a stump in a tie.
Hey, if you touch me, everyone will think we're
Breath of
friends.
ham. Your breath hurt me.
Give me a fist bump, buddy.
I think it fried my retinas.
Maybe employ some freaking hand gestures. Look, I mean, it's not so bad if you're boring, just no one wants to be stuck around you.
Yeah, you're a thick chunk. I like your belt thing. I like it very much. You're a thick white chunk. A white chunk.
Oops. Forgot my juice. Now what do I do?
Hey, dude. Ew.
You too.
And thanks for the jar of pickles. It ain't even enough. And I have so many other things. A lot of packages. I always remember to refine my glue face, because it looks good. It's like, yeah.
The fire will have your soul.
I had a very terrible January with a tiny giraffe who went nuts. Yeah, she was just one cranky cucumber. Super cranky. I had planned to tell you about the Asiatic lemur. The perfect animal. But I'd like to give you a preview of some upcoming tweets. I don't want to know your thoughts. I want you for your silhouette. The Queen of flippin' Ireland doesn't ever age. I should be chief of gravestones forever. I go to bed in red, jammy clothes, okay? When I saw the TV in my car, I punched a book. The turkey is berserkiest, isn't it? It's a good one for the holidays. I think I'm getting too young for this. The janitor took all the evidence out to the country and dumped it in his pit. I like our plant guy, Bert, Merv, yeah. The one who has the twin sisters. I will never have a gluten pocket. Really? That one? I will leave you now with one of my famous poems. Korean shoelaces are easily made. The more you got cash, the more you got paid. The more you eat vinegar, I don't need to smell you, 'cause your smell isn't good. Listen to what I tell you. The bees in the shed, the gum on the ankle, goblin goo on the goblins, at a party later for March. Don't like her.
We always knew you were a goober. We've known. That's on you, Mike.
Trump, 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 Trump. Oh, stop.
Don't moan. No, really, don't.
I killed an ant.
Every day I worry all day about what's waiting in the bushes of love. Something's waiting in the bushes for us. Yeah, something's waiting in the bushes of love.